Hello my dear students, I am Mudassir Khan from the Department of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Jamia Millia Islamia, and today we come for the 16th lecture on Travel Intermediaries of Introduction to Travel and Tourism Management course. If we try to understand in simple terms, travel intermediaries are companies that help us plan and book our trips. This can include everything from booking flights and accommodations to arranging activities and tours. But why are travel intermediaries so important in the travel industry? Well, for starters, they provide a vital link between travelers and travel suppliers. Without them, it would be difficult for many of us to plan our trips, especially if we are not familiar with the destination or the travel industry as a whole. Travel intermediaries help us navigate the complex world of travel and make it easier for us to find the best deals and options. In this session, I'll be giving you a brief overview of the different types of travel intermediaries, their functions, and the advantages and disadvantages of using them. I'll also touch on some of the current trends and challenges facing the travel intermediary industry and what we can expect in the future. So, whether you are a frequent traveler or someone who is planning their first trip, I hope this session will give you a better understanding of the role that travel intermediaries play in the travel industry and how they can help make your travel experiences more enjoyable and memorable. By the end of this session, I hope you will have a better appreciation for the important role that intermediaries play in making travel more accessible, convenient, and enjoyable for all of us. Travel intermediaries are businesses or individuals that operate between the travel service providers like airlines, hotels, car rentals, tour companies, etc., and the tourists to facilitate travel related transactions. They play a critical role in the travel industry by helping travelers to plan, book, and manage their trips, and by connecting them with various travel providers. They can take many forms, including travel agencies, tour operations, online travel agencies, meta search engines, global distribution systems, wholesalers, and more. They offer a variety of services and products such as travel advice, booking assistance, package tours, transportations, accommodations, and activities. One of the main benefits of using a travel intermediary is the convenience it offers to travelers. Instead of having to research and book each travel services individually, travelers can rely on the expertise of travel intermediaries to handle all aspects of their trips. Travel intermediaries can also provide cost saving by negotiating discounted rates with the travel providers and by offering bundled travel packages that can be more affordable than booking each service separately. In addition, travel intermediaries often provide personalized service to travelers. They can offer customized travel packages based on individual preferences and can also provide assistance during travel disruptions or emergencies. For example, a travel agent can help a traveler rebook a mixed flight or find alternative accommodations if a hotel reservation falls through. In addition to providing these services, it also plays a crucial role in promoting and marketing travel products. They advertise and market travel packages and products to potential customers through various channels including social media, email campaigns, and advertising on travel websites. Here are some of the different types of travel intermediaries in the travel industry. A travel agency is a business that specializes in providing travel related services to clients. These services may include booking flights, hotels, rental cars, cruises and tours, as well as providing information and advice on travel destinations, visa requirements and travel insurance. Travel agencies can be both brick and mortar establishments with a physical office and online businesses that operate through a website or mobile application. They can be owned and operated by an individual or a group of individuals, or they can be a part of larger travel company or franchisee. It typically earns commissions from travel suppliers such as airlines and hotels for each booking made on behalf of a client. In addition to booking travel arrangements, travel agencies may also provide a range of other services such as travel advice and recommendations. Travel agents can provide clients with information on travel destinations, including visa requirements, local customs and traditions, and best times to visit. Travel insurance. Travel agencies can provide clients with travel insurance to protect against unforeseen circumstances such as medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage. Tour packages. Travel agencies may offer pre-packaged tours that include flights, hotels, and activities, or they can customize tours to meet the specific needs and preferences of clients. Group travel. Travel agencies can also help plan and coordinate groups such as corporate retreats, family reunions, or destination weddings. Destination weddings and honeymoons. Travel agencies can help plan and coordinate destination weddings and honeymoons, including booking flights and accommodations, arranging for travel ceremonies and receptions, and providing recommendations for activities and excursions. A tour operator is a company that designs, organizes, and sells package tours and travel services to various destinations. It manages and coordinates all aspects of a trip from transportation, accommodation, meals, and activities to sightseeing tours and travel guides. Tour operators work with travel agents, hotels, airlines, and other service providers to create complete travel package for clients. They can offer group tours or customized itineraries for individual travelers depending on their preferences and budget. Tour operators may specialize in various types of travel such as adventure travel, luxury travel, cultural tours, or educational tours. The main goal of a tour operator is to provide travelers with a memorable and enjoyable travel experience. They can also provide additional services such as travel insurance, visa processing, and foreign exchange. Tour operators often have an extensive knowledge of the destination they offer, providing valuable insights and recommendations to the travelers. In addition to selling travel packages to individuals and groups, tour operator may also work with businesses and organizations to arrange corporate travel or incentive trip. They may also offer specialized services such as destination weddings, honeymoons, or family vacations. Tour operators play an important role in the travel industry by creating and promoting travel packages that showcase different destinations and experiences. They help travelers save time and effort by taking care of all the arrangement and offerings competitive prices. However, it is important to choose a reputable and reliable tour operator to ensure a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Another important travel intermediary is online travel agencies or OTAs, which are internet-based companies that offer a wide range of travel-related services and products to consumers. They serve as intermediaries between travelers and various travel suppliers such as airlines, hotels, rental car companies, and tour operators. The primary function of OTAs is to provide a convenient and efficient platform for travelers to research, compare, and book travel products and services. One of the main advantages of using an OTA is the ability to access a broad range of travel options in one place. User can search for flights, hotels, rental cars, and activities all on the same website, making the booking process more streamlined and efficient. Additionally, many OTAs offer tools and features to help users find the best deals and discounts, such as price comparisons, flexible date searches, and package deals. Another benefit of using an OTA is the ability to book travel arrangements anytime, anywhere. With 24 by 7 access to online booking platforms, travelers can make reservation at their own convenience without the need to visit a physical travel agency or call a reservation center. This can be especially helpful for travelers who are making last minute bookings or need to make changes to their plans on the go. OTAs typically generate revenue through commissions or fees charged to travel suppliers for each booking made through their platform. Some OTAs may also charge user booking fees or service fees, although this is less common. In exchange for these fees, OTAs provide travel suppliers with access to a large pool of potential customers and help them to increase their visibility and reach. Overall, online travel agencies have revolutionized the way that people research and book travel arrangements. They provide a convenient and efficient way to access a broad range of travel options and can be a valuable resource for both leisure and business travelers alike. Next is meta search engine. So meta search engine in tourism are online tools that allow travelers to search and compare prices and availability across multiple online travel agencies, hotel websites, and other travel suppliers. These engines work by aggregating data from various sources including OTAs and hotel websites and presenting the information in a consolidated format, enabling users to easily compare prices and other relevant information across different providers. Example of popular meta search engine in the tourism industry includes Kayak, Skyscanner, TripAdvisor, Trivago, etc. These engines allow users to search for flights, hotels, rental cars, and other travel related products and services and compare prices and availability across multiple suppliers. Some meta search engines also offer additional features such as ability to filter search result by price, location, and other criteria, as well as the ability to track prices and receive alerts when prices drop. One of the primary benefits of using a meta search engine is the ability to access a broad range of travel options in one place. Rather than having a search multiple websites individually, users can compare prices and availability across multiple suppliers all on the same platform. This can save time and effort, particularly for users who are searching for multiple travel related products and services. Another advantage of using a meta search engine is the ability to compare prices and availability across multiple suppliers, enabling users to find the best deals and discounts. By aggregating data from multiple sources, meta search engines can provide users with a comprehensive view of available options, making it easier to find the best prices and deals. A very important global distribution system, GDS, is a computerized reservation network that allows travel agents, travel management companies, and other travel providers to access and book travel related products and services from multiple suppliers worldwide. GDSs have become an integral part of travel industry, providing a comprehensive and efficient system for booking flights, hotels, rental cars, and other travel related services. Example of popular GDS include Amadeus, Sabre, Galileo, and Travelport. These systems are used by thousands of travel agents and other travel related providers around the world who rely on them to access real-time availability and pricing information from multiple suppliers. One of the main advantages of using a GDS is the ability to access a broad range of travel options in one place. GDS typically offer a vast inventory of flights, hotels, rental cars, and other travel related services from multiple suppliers, making it easier for users to compare prices and availability across different providers. In addition to providing access to a vast inventory of travel options, GDSs also offer a range of tools and features to help travel agents and other users make informed decisions. For example, GDS may offer real-time availability and pricing information as well as ability to view seat maps and other relevant details. GDS may also offer the ability to book ancillary services such as seat upgrades, travel insurance and other add-ons. Another benefit of using a GDS is the ability to manage bookings and make changes easily. GDS typically offers a centralized platform for managing bookings, making it easier to modify or cancel reservation as needed. This can be particularly useful for business travelers who may need to make last-minute changes to their travel plans. Overall, GDS have become an essential tool for travel agents, travel management companies, and other travel providers. They provide a comprehensive and efficient system for accessing and booking travel-related products and services and are important part of travel industry ecosystem. Travel wholesalers. Travel wholesalers are companies that buy large quantities of travel-related products and services such as flights, hotel rooms, rental cars and activities from suppliers and resell them to other travel providers such as travel agents, tour operators and online travel agencies, often at a discounted rate. Travel wholesalers typically purchase these products and services in bulk, allowing them to negotiate lower prices with suppliers and pass on the savings to their customers. One of the primary benefits of working with a travel wholesaler is ability to access a broad range of travel related products and services at a discounted rate. So, travel wholesalers often have established relationship with suppliers and are able to negotiate lower prices on behalf of their clients, allowing them to offer competitive prices to their customers. Another advantage of working with a travel wholesaler is the ability to access a range of products and services from a single source. Rather than having to work with multiple suppliers individually, travel providers can work with a wholesaler to source all their travel related needs from a single source, streamlining the booking process and saving time and effort. There are several other types of travel intermediaries in the travel industry. Here are a few additional examples. Destination management companies specialize in providing on-site travel services to customers once they have arrived at their destination. DMCs may offer services such as airports, transfers, hotel accommodations, guided tours, and event planning. Travel management companies specialize in managing corporate travel and arrangements for businesses. TMCs may handle tasks such as booking flights, hotels, and rental cars, managing travel expenses, and providing 24/7 support to travelers. Consolidators specialize in offering discounted airfares to customers by purchasing tickets in bulk from airlines and reselling them to other intermediaries such as travel agencies and OTAs. Consolidators may also offer discounted rates on hotel accommodations, rental cars, and other travel services. Vacation rental platforms such as Airbnb and VRBO are digital platforms that allow customers to search for and book private accommodations such as apartments, homes, and villas for short-term stays. These platforms often offer a variety of accommodation than traditional hotels and may provide customers with unique and immersive travel experiences. Travel insurance providers are intermediaries that offer insurance policies to travelers to protect against them against unexpected events such as a trip cancellation, medical emergencies, or lost or stolen luggage. Travel insurance providers may offer different types of policies tailored to specific travel needs and destinations. Destination marketing organizations promote and market a specific destination such as city or region to travelers. DMOs may offer information and resources to help travelers plan their trips such as travel guides, maps, and suggested itineraries. Ground transportation providers offers transportation services to travelers once they have arrived at their destination such as rental cars, private transfers, or public transportation options. Ground transportation providers may partner with other intermediaries such as travel agencies or OTAs to offer their services to customers. Concierge services offers personalized assistance and support to travelers such as restaurant reservations, booking tickets for events, or arranging for special experiences. Concierge services may be offered by hotels, travel agencies, or other intermediaries to provide added value to their customers. Tourist information centers provide travelers with information and resources about a specific destination. These centers may offer maps, brochures, and other materials to help travelers plan their trips, as well as recommendations for local attractions, restaurants, and activities. Meeting and event planners specialize in planning and organizing meetings, conferences, and other events for businesses and organizations. These planners may handle tasks such as venue selection, catering, audiovisual equipment rental, and transportation logistics. These are just a few more examples of different types of travel intermediaries that exist in the travel industry. Each type serves a unique function and offers different benefit to travelers, and understanding these differences can help us choose the right intermediary to meet our specific travel needs and preferences. So what are the functions of travel intermediaries? As we have already previously discussed, travel intermediaries are third party entities that facilitate travel arrangements and transactions between travelers and travel suppliers. Here we will discuss the different functions of travel intermediaries and how they play a crucial role in travel industry. One of the primary functions of travel intermediary is to provide travelers with information and advice on destinations, accommodations, activities, and other travel related topics. They act as a knowledgeable resource for travelers who may not have the time, expertise, or resources to research and plan their own trips. Another crucial function of travel intermediary is to make travel arrangements on the behalf of travelers. This includes booking flights, hotels, rentals, cars, tours, and other travel related services. Travel intermediaries may use their expertise and relationship with travel suppliers to negotiate better rates and package for their clients. Travel intermediaries may also create and sell travel packages that bundle different travel services together, such as flights, hotels, and tours. These packages can offer travelers a convenient and cost effective way to book all the services they need for the trip in one transaction. Travel intermediaries also play a significant role in marketing and promoting travel products to potential customers. They may use various marketing strategies such as social media, email marketing, or paid advertising to reach a broad audience and attract new customers. Travel intermediaries may also partner with travel suppliers to promote their products and services to their clients. Finally, travel intermediaries also manage payments and transactions between travelers and travel suppliers. They may collect payments from travelers and pay suppliers on their behalf, ensuring a smooth and secure transaction process. This can be particularly important for international travel, where currency exchange and payment method can be more complicated. If we talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using travel intermediaries, advantages include convenience. One of the biggest advantages of using travel intermediary is the convenience they offer. They save traveler time and effort by providing a one-stop shop for all their travel needs. Travel intermediary can handle everything from flight and hotel booking to tours and activities, making it easier for travelers to plan and book their trips. Cost saving. Another advantage of using travel intermediary is the potential cost saving they can offer. Travel intermediaries may have access to special deals and discounts that travelers may not be able to find on their own. They may also be able to negotiate better rates for travel services such as hotels or rental cars due to their relationship with travel suppliers. Expertise. Travel intermediaries often have a wealth of knowledge and expertise in travel industry. They can offer valuable advice and recommendations on destinations, accommodation, and activities based on their experience and expertise. They may also be able to offer insider tips and tricks that can help travelers get the most out of their trips. Personalized service. Travel intermediaries can offer personalized services to travelers based on their individual needs and preferences. They can help travelers create custom itineraries that suit their interests, budget, and travel style. They may also be available to provide support and assistance throughout the travel planning and booking process as well as during the trip itself. There are some disadvantages as well, like the lack of transparency in booking process. Travel intermediary may not always provide detailed information about the travel services they are selling, such as name of the airline or hotel. They can make it difficult for travelers to compare prices and services and make informed decisions. Another disadvantage of using travel intermediaries is the limited choices they may offer. Travel intermediaries may only work with a selective number of travel suppliers, which can limit the option available to travelers. This can be particularly problematic if travelers are looking for niche or off the beat path destination or experiences. Potential for fraud. Travel intermediary may also pose a risk of fraud or scams. Some may offer travel services that are not legitimate or fail to deliver the services which was promised. Travelers should be cautious when using travel intermediaries and do their research to ensure that they are working with a reputable company. Finally, using travel intermediaries may result in additional cost for travelers. It may charge service fee or mark up the price of travel services to make a profit. This can make the total cost of travel higher than if traveler booked directly with travel suppliers. Now, if we talk about the current trends and challenges in the travel industry, one of the biggest current trends is the growth of online travel booking. Online travel agencies OTAs such as Expedia, Booking.com and Airbnb have disrupted the traditional travel industry by offering one-stop shop for travelers to book their flights, accommodations and activities. Another current trend is the travel industry is the shift towards experiential travel. Travelers are increasingly seeking unique, immersive and authentic travel experiences that go beyond the traditional sightseeing and beach vacations. This trend has created a new opportunities for travel intermediaries to offer customized travel packages and itineraries that cater to the specific interests and preferences of the travelers. Impact of COVID-19 on travel industry. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the travel industry and travel intermediaries. Travel restrictions and lockdowns led to a sharp decline in travel demand, resulting in widespread job losses and business closures. Many travel intermediaries have had to adapt to new reality by offering flexible cancellation policies, enhanced health and safety measures, and virtual travel experiences. Regulatory challenges and concern over market dominance. The growth of online travel booking and the dominance of a few key players in the market has raised a concern over regulatory challenges and potential anti-competitive practices. Additionally, there are concerns over the market dominance of large OTAs and the impact this may have on competition and consumer choice. With this, we come to the conclusion of today's class, in which we learned that travel intermediaries play a crucial role in the travel industry by serving as a link between traveler and travel suppliers. They come in many different forms, including traditional travel agencies, online travel agencies, tour operators, meta search engines, global distribution systems and wholesalers. The functions of travel intermediaries include providing information and advice to travelers, making travel arrangements, creating and selling travel packages, marketing and promoting travel products, and managing payments and transactions. While there are advantages to using travel intermediaries such as convenience, cost saving, expertise, and personalized services, there are also some disadvantages such as lack of transparency, limited choices, potential for fraud and additional costs. Current trends and challenges in the industry include the growth of online travel booking, a shift towards experiential travel, the impact of COVID-19 on travel industry, and regulatory challenges and concerns over market dominance. Choosing the right travel intermediary can make a significant difference in the quality of travel experience. It is important for travelers to understand the different types of intermediaries available, their functions, advantages and disadvantages, and to stay informed about current trends and challenges in the industry. By doing so, travelers can make more informed decisions about how to plan and book their trips. You will find the reference to the topics covered in this session in the following books and websites mentioned before on the slides, which may be used for better understanding. So, that would be all for today's session. Thank you, my dear students, for attending this session. You may write to me at the ID mentioned on the slide here. See you all in our next lecture. Till then, goodbye and take care.